Hey guys, so a couple of weeks ago this package came in the mail, but we're just getting ready to unbox it. I wanted to show it to you guys. It's basically the CyberWeek badge, baby, which was created by the guys from Tech Maker. Check that out. Oh, so nice. Yeah, so we've been actually talking to Tech Maker for, I don't know, like well over a year about designing a badge. Move this out of the way. And so this was actually supposed to have been ready for Amsterdam last year, but COVID, and then we couldn't do it, so we moved it to CyberWeek. And so there's two parts to the badge. There's the face, and then there's an add-on, which is basically a hat, which connects to the back of it. And this is expandable options, right? So I think this is for a CAN bus, if I'm not mistaken. So it allows you to do some car hacking stuff. But they're gonna make other hats, and so if you're coming to CyberWeek, which I hope you guys are, you'll be able to get these badges basically. Everybody who's attending in person will get these badges given to you, and if you're not coming, then sorry guys, no badge for you. But for the guys who are actually coming, yeah man, you're gonna get this awesome technical badge, baby. It looks pretty epic, I have to say. It's got like some debug ports here. I should put a battery in later and I kind of show you guys some photos with it turned on. But yeah, let's see. I guess it connects into here. Hopefully I don't break it. Ah, lovely. Perfect engineering. As always, Tech Maker makes some awesome stuff. Alright guys. See you guys in CyberWeek, baby. Get your hands on this. Lead dogs out.